Hey y'all, this is Nina Stevens, and I'm in the South where sushi is still called bait. So, pardon the mess. I'm in my bedroom, and I have an issue that I'm going to have to address. Come on back and I'll tell you about it. Okay, so this is my air conditioner in my bedroom. Well, this board was put here 100 years ago, whenever this air conditioner was put in here. And there is a gap. You see that gap? That goes out. Oh, it's fixing to fall. That goes to the outside, and it's gotten wet with the rain, and it's caused it to gap, and that's how they're getting in. So, yeah, that's going to have to be addressed. Yeah, that's not good. Not good. So I got my curtain pinned up out of the way. Yeah, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to see if I can Homestead engineer a way to fix that board. Because when they were dropping and I was vacuuming and they were dropping and I was vacuuming, evidently one was missed. Because when I went to bed last night, he was on my bed. And he stung me on the underside of my arm area. Yeah. So it's very in a very tender spot. So yeah, I was pretty frustrated. And the horse, Callie, is laying up in the bed like a boss, and she couldn't even tell me the wasp was there, you know. So I'm going to see if I can Homestead engineer a fix for that, using pallets. Why pallets, you say? Because I don't have any other means right now to fix it. I don't have the knowledge to have it professionally fixed. And you know, you do what you got to do. I don't have the supplies to fix it professionally, and I don't have anybody I can call to do that. So I'm going to attempt to Homestead engineer a repair myself using pallets, because I have pallets, and I'm gonna see what I can do. So I'm gonna bring you along with me, because you know, when you're in a situation and you don't have a big box store next door, what are you going to do? So I have been known to Homestead engineer a few things. So I'm going to Homestead engineer this. And I'll bring you along with me. So y'all hang on, I'll bring you back. Alright. So I'm sweating already. So I've got these pieces of pallet that I took apart. But as you see right here, they have nails. So I'm going to take my hammer. Sorry, something fell on me. And I'm going to attempt to get the nails out. That's the next step. We'll see how that goes. And I got my saw and my measuring tape and my measurements. Yes, I have them written down, professional and everything. Alright, I'll bring it back. Alright, so I got all the nails out. So now I need to cut off the broke part because I need 21 1/4 inches of good board, and these are cracked. So I'm going to cut them off right about here. Discard this part and just use this part. See if I can get it to come together. I already got a sweat collar going on. Alright, I'll bring it back. Alright. I got those 3 ends cut off. Now I'm going to measure 21 1/4 inches this way and cut them. And I'll bring you back. Okay, before I cut the other two, I decided to come dry fit this one to see if it'll work. I think that's gonna work just fine. So I'm gonna cut the rest of the boards. Heck yes! Alright. I got these 2 boards, 3 boards together. This is my waterproofing. I'm trying to do this quickly because the mosquitoes are eating me alive. So I'm going to put braces on it. Let me get my battery put in my drill. Can't do this with one hand. Alright, let me do this and I'll bring you back. Alright, I got it. That mammy jammer was hard. So, busted my lip. That's alright, I got it done. So I'm going to take this around here and see if it'll fit in the window and be done with the walls for tonight. I'll bring you back if it fits. I don't know, that looks pretty good to me. I see a little gap right there. Need to work on that, but let me go on the other side to see what it looks like. Okay, well, it's not perfect. It's not perfect because that right there is not going to work. I don't know, I have some foam somewhere I can put in there for tonight. Other than that, I think it'll work. Okay, so that's gonna have to work for now. I'll have to find the foam. I've got some foam that goes around the air conditioner and I can put in that hole right there. But I can't turn the camera around because I busted my lip and I look like I've been hit. Anyway, so that's a Homestead engineer fix for you, using pallets because that's all I had. And that's it for me. Until next time, I'll see you later.